Hello and welcome to Cymru Rails, and happy Star Wars Day. Today we're taking a look at a custom EFE Rail JIA wagon, which I received as a gift from my dad. Now this isn't your ordinary weathering job. The wagon has been transformed into what is pretty much a work of art, courtesy of the talented team at TMC, the Model Centre, up in Yorkshire. The entire wagon has been adorned with a hand-drawn airbrush artwork in a graffiti style, featuring none other than Darth Vader himself. Now let's dive into the inspiration behind the artwork which is used on the side of the wagon. It's actually a scene straight out of the Vader Down crossover event from the Marvel Star Wars comic series, where Vader finds himself surrounded by Rebel Alliance soldiers and is told to lay down his weapons. During this moment, Vader utters the words, "All I am surrounded by is fear and dead men," which is probably known by many people as a bit of a meme. This moment in the comic was originally illustrated by comic artist Mike Diodato and has now been immortalised on the side of the wagon thanks to the talented artists over at TMC. As a little Star Wars Day celebration, I just wanted to make a video so we could watch this custom wagon make its rounds around the layout and keep an eye out for some visitors that are on the layout from a galaxy far, far away. All in all, I couldn't be happy with how this wagon's turned out. It's a really unique model offered by TMC, and it was a lovely gift from my dad, combining two of my great interests, which is model railways and Star Wars. So happy Star Wars Day, and thank you for watching.